Ew! Screaming fall. I look like a mess, but it's my birthday. And look at what I woke up to.
Alright, I know you guys are hungry.
So we have favorite chocolate cake with my candles and a beautiful card that we read together. And these flowers that are so beautiful. I am in love with these because he literally went to the store and said that there were none there. So he literally got like roses, baby's breath, and like these little ones that are in here and made like a little bouquet himself. And then added a little bow to the vase. These are so pretty. He literally woke me up and was like, let's go get you some coffee. That's why I'm like a mess. We're gonna have bagels, and he bought some dairy-free cream cheese. Oh, look at these bagels that he got. These look so good and they smell so good. I kind of want to try this cream cheese. Give it a first impression. I'm kind of scared. Not bad. Try it. It has a little, it's like a little bit sweet, I feel like. What do you think?
There's a little bit of
like a sweetness, right?
Sweetness somehow. I'm hoping that because these are kind of savory, that it'll kind of just balance out, you know? Stop being a crazy fool. What are you worried about?
I forgot that I had the camera. Okay guys, so update. We ended up taking a fat nap. It's a bit later now. I'm on my way to the gym. Pablo said he has a dinner planned. Today is just absolutely beautiful. The sun is out. The weather is actually nice. Like the past few days, the past week, honestly, it's been like gloomy, rainy, cold. Y'all know I don't really care for the cold. I know everybody's like fall season, but I just thrive in the summertime. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna quickly get ready because I'm gonna have Pablo waiting. We're still working on this guy that I've had for days now. Are you ever gonna go away, sir? These products literally have brought my skin back to life. So I will make sure to link them all below. So make sure to check the description box. I wanna wear this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. We're gonna do this. Wow, look at that glow. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to go ahead and try this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation that I've never tried before. Wow, this is so nice with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Ah! It literally looks like my skin. Perfect. Favorite, Born This Way. Concealer. I'm not even gonna lie though, this liner sucks. Ew! Oh my god, what did I do? Let's just do the other side because I knew this was gonna happen. It's no surprise, honestly. Girl. Fuck. I knew it. I knew I shouldn't have used. Oh my. I have a better eyeliner and I think it's downstairs and I just did not feel like getting it. I paid the price because this one came out so bad, but I guess with like the eyelashes it doesn't look like you can't really tell how bad it is. All I'm gonna do is just some lip balm over it and we're good to go. Lip balm. So I have this dress that I bought at TJ Maxx that I really want to wear. I got it a while ago. I'm thinking black heels. I have my YSLs that Pablo got me like 2 years ago that I've never ever worn, so I'm probably gonna put those on, and I just don't know what to wear over it. Should I wear like a blazer? I have a black leather blazer, but I don't know if that's gonna look good. So we're in the car and we're running late. Look at my handsome man. I literally didn't even do my hair. Like, I'm such a fail. I did end up putting on the small chunky hoops, and I just think they're so cute. I didn't want to do too much up here because of the buttons for the shoes. I'll show you guys when I get out of the car so you guys can really see them. But
Alright, go ahead. Yay! Let me know how the cake is here, or the ice cream. Sorry. Pull the candle out. You don't want to eat the wax now.
it's like simple but good, you know?
Yeah. It tastes like ice cream, right? Like vanilla ice cream? Love you too. You want me to turn this off now? Bye. You would make it out in the streets with them heels on?
Oh, guys, these hurt.
You would not make it out in the corners out there.
Downhill. I'm so dramatic, but I'm not, because it really hurt so bad. Oh! My amazing cousin and his girlfriend, they got me a gift. Aww.
Cute.
So
nice. I was like, yeah, don't get me.
How cute!
I love that.
Oh my god, that is so cute. Thank you guys. Let me get out real quick. Hi guys, it is the next day and I'm so excited. So I wanted to finish off the video by showing you guys my Skims haul. So I got a ton of things from Skims and I'm super excited. So I got a few things. I got some staples actually since it's fall now. So we'll just quickly go through them. I already opened them for TikTok. I did a haul on TikTok, but we could start off with this cotton rib sports bra. How freaking cute. It's like nude and then the stitching is navy blue, and they did have a whole collection for this, like the shorts, tank top, and I think they even had pants, but I just ended up getting a sports bra. I just thought it would look super cute with like some loungy pants at home or under like a hoodie or zip up. And then I also ended up getting their bralettes. I got one in every like neutral color, that way I can wear it like pretty with everything. So I got this nude one in the shade Sand, to be specific, because they do have a lot of different ones. This is the Fits Everybody Scoop Neck Bralette, and everything that I got is in the size small, just for sizing reference. And then I also got it in the shade Cocoa. It's like perfect for fall. I love it. And then I also ended up getting the shade Onyx. I think this is so adorable. I just love these because I do like wearing sports bras. I never wear bras anymore, but sometimes my sports bras are a little too active wear, if you know what I mean. They're not really like daily wear, you know? And then I ended up getting in their cotton collection, their cotton jersey t-shirt in the shade Lollipop. Like, how cute is that? I love when shades have cute names like that. And I just think it would look so cute, like with like jeans or black jeans. Adorbs. This is their Fits Everybody long sleeve t-shirt in the shade Sand. They have so many nudes. Like, I want like every single color. These are really like stretchy and soft. They are see-through, so you can't wear like a black bra under this. Like, it'll be see-through, and that's why I got the nude bralette to go with it. They just match so perfectly. So I was like, even if it is see-through, I don't mind. I can just wear the matching bralette under it and it won't be like that big of a deal. And then I also got the the same exact long sleeve in the shade Cocoa as well. And you already know I have the matching bralette for this as well. This is screaming fall. It's just such a beautiful color. I am obsessed with it. I'm so excited to wear. And then I did end up getting the t-shirt in the shade Onyx. No, Graphite. I'm sorry. Yeah, you can tell a little bit. See, the Bralette is actually like black. This has more like a gray, navy blue gray undertone to it. It's a beautiful color. I absolutely love it. I was wanting to get the Onyx color, the black, but they didn't have it. They were sold out, as they are with a lot of things. I wanted to get like their hot pink sweatpants collection, but like everything is sold out. Like all the good stuff is sold out, but that's okay. We can wait for next time. I also ended up getting boyfriend loose pant, but these are humongous. I'm sure these will fit fine like on the waist, but they're just huge like down here. I was thinking to like wear these out and about, you know, with like my Uggs and like maybe a denim jacket or something, but there's no way. Like they're a little too loungy for me to wear out. I also got a cotton jersey pant, and now this one is beautiful. This is the heather gray color. The band is ribbed, and then the pants are just kind of like a t-shirt material, you know? These are so beautiful. So these, I would definitely wear these out and about with like my Uggs or something, and like one of these long sleeve black tees, and you're good to go. Put maybe like a vest jacket over it and you're good to go. Like I could actually wear these out. These look more like out appropriate for me at least. And they have the drawstring, so obviously you can adjust how tight you want them on the waist. And I think that is it, you guys. That's it. That's the haul. Let me know down below if you guys want me to try some of these on. I would be more than happy to do so. I just feel so blessed this year on my birthday. I just feel so blessed every year to have another year of life. And I had so many birthday wishes yesterday. I couldn't believe it, like the amount of love. Even people that I don't really talk to, honestly, I've known in my life, but I don't really like have constant communication with. They were wishing me happy birthday, and I was just so like, oh, can I give you a hug? Like it was just so heartfelt, like the amount of love that I had yesterday on my birthday. And my boyfriend made it super special for me, and my family, they also wished me a happy birthday. I just feel so loved. Not even just because it was my birthday, but even before that, like I was just feeling so good. I feel happy. I just feel like free and alive. I don't know. Truly having gratitude in the present moment, whether your life is, you know, just stagnant, or even if your life is a little mundane, you have to learn to find the beauty in the mundane things, the things that even may annoy you sometimes, and learn to laugh at things that annoy you. Like that's something that I'm truly learning how to do, because that's something that I just want for myself, is happiness and carefree life, you know? So I really put emphasis on finding gratitude and joy and happiness. It gets better. It becomes a part of like you, and it becomes natural to you. And yeah, who doesn't want to be happy? Who doesn't want, you know, happiness? And this isn't to say that life doesn't happen and tragedies don't happen, but if we're still here, if we're still alive, if we're still breathing, we have at least one thing to be grateful for. Yeah, that is my 26-year-old rant. Hopefully you guys take something from it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.